Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to fix missing DLL files error on Windows 11. And for this we go to Google Chrome and then search here at Google for DirectX. There we need the DirectX end user runtime web installer, and then right now select your language and then do download. Then right now we want to go to this folder and place this one on our desktop, and right now double click here on this setup. Then do please yes, I accept the agreement because I already read everything. Then do next, don't want to install the Bing bar, then do next. Right now he is installing. Then click on next, then he's installing. Then click now on finish. Then after this go to the search bar and search for CMD. Do right mouse click and do run as administrator. Then do yes. And then right now you need to fill in the following things. I will put everything in the description, but right now you need to do Ctrl-V with this. And then he is doing something with your PC that will fix the DLL files. Then when this one is done, type in sfc /scan now and then do enter. Right now he will start the scanning, and after the scanning you will have working DLL files, guys. So just wait for this scan. After this restart your PC and then the problem is solved. Alright, thanks for watching, have a wonderful day and ciao.